Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to sell real estate in the online portal. So first you want to log into the online portal. Then you want to go ahead and scroll until you see the quick links box. And then you want to click on sell asset, select the account, select the property you want to sell, click next. Then you'll see the sell direction letter here. And before we continue down, these are some documents that we require. So, of course, you want to complete this form. You want to provide the purchase contract, warranty, grant deed, preliminary title report, an estimated closing statement if applicable. And you want to go ahead and send these items to forms@theentrustgroup.com. And then we will forward that to the real estate department for review and processing. You can also email the real estate department directly at realestate@theentrustgroup.com. And basically, you'll just go ahead and fill out each of these sections on this form. If you're unsure, you can leave the field blank. And then what we'll do is when we review it, we'll reach out and let you know, hey, this field is required. And then we'll, of course, offer some clarification as well. But once you submit everything there, we will review everything in 3 to 5 business days and then follow up with you. You can also opt for the expedited review request, which is $150, and we'll review it in 1 to 2 business days. And that is how you sell real estate in the online portal. Thank you.